Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I'll be sharing an idea of how to create these type of simple designing so that we can create it on our plain sarees or for any types of garments designing. These type of patterns really very much trending right now. So let's quickly start with the markings of this designing. We need to give the circular shape. Here I'd be using the bangle for the marking. You can use as per your requirement. The size can be customized. I'm also marking the small size of inner circle followed with the flower shape of 8 petals like this, and next to this I'd be marking one more circle. Here I'd be elaborating the pattern of marking so that it will make your work easy to do. These type of simple designing patterns really very much flowing in the fashion market. So as we are the fashion lovers, we'll also try these type of designs. So the next line will be the oval marking like this. And on this we'll again mark the petals to create the flower shape. So once we mark this designing on a piece of paper, then we'll transfer using through the carbon paper or any tracing paper on wherever you want to try this design. Now I'll erase the outer line because that is not required. This is just for the reference. I had given the markings. The pattern would look like this. And for this designing, I'd be using the liquid embroidering cones of Camlin brand or the Fevicryl brand. You can try with any brands, and each cone is of 25 rupees. And this is of white color. Here I'd be using to give the outlining. So firstly, starting from the inner circle, followed with the petals making of this small flower. And now I'll mark the outer line. For these type of designings, we have to fix the small size of embroidering frames, which is of 8 or 10 number. And now the filling will be done in this way. Not only with the cones, you can try this type of designing. You can also use the fabric paints as per your availability. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops or ladies corners, or you can also try in stationery store. Also the links has been provided in the description box. And next to this we'll give the oval markings with this white color. These designing techniques we can try on old sarees to turn into new sarees, which really looks stylish as the pic I have shown. And now I'd be using red color to fill the outer petals. Firstly we'll mark the outer lines, that means the boundaries. Then the filling will be done in this way. All the petals has to be filled in this way only. These patterns really look stylish friends and very innovative, must try patterns. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.